So, what is up YouTube? It's been a while and I'm working on the S13 today. I've dropped the subframe and I'm going to be doing some polybushes, which I have right here. And yeah, I've already burnt the bushes out, which is quite easy. All you use is a blowtorch, and you can use some lighter fluid for your barbecues or whatever. Burn the bushings out, and then obviously I don't have a hacksaw or whatever to split the collars so I can fit the bushings in. So what I've done is I've got a sharp chisel. Don't know if you can see that, it's quite sharp, and a hammer, and just working my way through it to break it. And once I can get the sleeves out, I can fit the new poly bushes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera, see if I can get a good angle, and then I'm going to make a little time lapse on me removing these things, and so you can see what goes down, how difficult it is. But to be fair, I've only just started and it's not too hard. So if you don't have a hacksaw, this is a good option. If you obviously have a hacksaw, you just cut small slits into it and then you can just straight hammer it out. But obviously I don't have that ability, so I'm going to have to resort to this.
TR got the sauce, bitch.
Purchase your tracks now. Purchase your tracks now.
So the rear is a bit more difficult. It has like a little ring around here, and this separates, and then yeah, it's a bit strange, but I'm gonna work my way around it. I'll show you how I do the rear once I figure it out, so I'll be back in a minute. So that ring I just showed you guys is actually not a ring, it's just a rubber thing. So I don't know, we'll go from there. I can remove this, you can just pull it out. It's not really a big deal, so we'll figure it out. So, got that one out. Back one. These are a pain. These are very difficult to get out. So, yeah, one left. This was destroyed, demolished. And that is the last one. Man, that's exhausting. Jesus Christ. I don't recommend this way because it takes ages and it's extremely draining because, well, yeah, I can't even feel my right arm at the moment, so I don't recommend this. It might damage the sides, you know what I mean, so I don't recommend it, but it's an option if you don't have a hacksaw. So it does work. And I've done all four now, so let me show you. Show you what they look like. That's one. Pretty neat. That's two. That's three. And that's four. I had the most struggle with number 4, so yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up the holes now. I'm gonna use a wire brush and trying to make it look nice, probably give it a bit of paint, and then I might paint the subframe, I might not, I don't know. What do you think? I'm gonna probably pressure wash the subframe though, get it cleaned up a bit, and then I don't know, I'll go from there. I might underseal it or paint or whatever. So, as you guys probably don't know, is that I've started to weld. I'm still learning, but I found some rust on the subframe, which is quite common. Surprisingly good for this subframe. I mean, there's a lot that completely rot away and all sorts of stuff. So what I've got to sort out is this. I've already prepped it. I've just got to cut it out and put some new metal in. There was a small patch here which I've already started to weld. The metal that I'm using is a spare rib quarter panel out of an S13 because it's quite thin, the metal. I think it's 1 mil. The only reason I'm using such thin metal is because I don't want the subframe to say crumple or not crumple. If I use thick steel plate and stuff like that, I want it to absorb shock should I really run into a curve or anything. It should absorb the shock and bend instead of causing any damage to the chassis or the studs, the subframe studs or whatever. I don't want it to do any damage to that, so that's the reason I've decided to go for the thinner metal. But I will keep you updated on how I get this looking. Yeah, should come out not too bad. So what I've done again is cut it more, and I'm going to fabricate some pieces to put in there now and then weld it up and see how it comes out. I'll post you up with the result. Peace. So, progress update. That's welded. Fill in the rest and it'll be sorted out. So I'll be back in another minute. And with the magic of editing, subframe holes have all been cleaned. The welding has been done. I don't think you can even tell. If it wasn't for the black paint, you wouldn't be able to tell. I've smoothed it on that side already. That side still needs smoothing out, but it is welded. So now what I'm going to do is I've just painted over that because it's getting late now. I don't want to make too much noise. I'm going to try and take the subframe and pressure wash it just to get some of the grime off, you know, to make it a bit more shiny, so tomorrow I can get some hammerite over it and get it looking somewhat decent, which is the plan. So I will keep y'all updated, mine, and y'all gonna see. This is gonna be one fire car, mine. I tell y'all, motherfuckers. Alright, peace out.